How to change Windows 11 user folder name. So if you want to change the Windows 11 user folder name, then what you need to do is first go with your search. Under search, you need to search for registry editor and click on yes and open up your registry editor. Once you open up your registry editor, you need to go with the H key local machine and enlarge that. Once you've enlarged, you need to go with software, and under software, you need to go with the Microsoft folder. Enlarge the Microsoft folder, and here you just need to simply scroll all the way down where you will find the Windows NT folder. Under Windows NT, you need to enlarge that again, and here you will have current version. So enlarge that again. Once you've enlarged the current version, you need to scroll down and find the profile list. And under profile list, you need to enlarge the profile list and go with the one which has the largest name in it. And once you click on it, here on the right side, you will get a lot of folders. So you just need to simply go with the folder which is profile image path. So double click on it, and here you will get the name, right? Your Windows 11 user folder name. So you can simply remove the name, or you can enter a new name. And after that, go with OK, and it has been done. Now, if you don't want to go with this extreme process, then what you need to do is there is also a simple process. You can go with the computer management. So simply search for computer management on your system. Once you search for computer management, go with local users and groups and go with users. Open up the users folder. Once you've opened the users, now here you will get the name. So you can simply right click on it and then go with rename, and you can rename that. That's it. Now you need to restart your device, and after restarting, you will change your Windows 11 user folder name. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.